Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use night data during the day Telkom. Telkom's Night Surfer data bundles are a popular option, offering significant data at a lower price point. These bundles are specifically designed for use during off-peak hours, typically between midnight and 7 a.m. They are ideal for heavy data tasks like downloading large files or system updates, taking advantage of less network congestion. Many users wonder if Telkom Night Surfer data can be used during the day. Unfortunately, Telkom's terms and conditions are very clear. Night data is strictly for use between midnight and 7 a.m. It cannot be converted to day data, nor does any unused portion roll over. If you try to use data outside these hours, your regular anytime data will be consumed instead. While Telkom does not officially support using night data during the day, some users have explored an unofficial trick. This involves manually adjusting your phone's date and time settings to fall within the midnight to 7 a.m. window. The idea is to make your device believe it's nighttime, potentially activating your Night Surfer bundle. However, this method is not guaranteed to work and could cause issues with other apps or services. To make the most of your Telkom data, it's best to align your usage with the bundle's terms. Schedule data-intensive activities like software updates or large file downloads for the designated night hours. For daytime internet, consider purchasing a separate anytime data bundle. Regularly checking your data balance through the Telkom app or UST code will help you manage your consumption efficiently and avoid unexpected charges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.